Hello everybody, Sterex here. Today we're checking out the brand new Battle Damage Spinosaurus images that we have. Here they are, and they look pretty good. I like it. The different color scheme from the Legacy Spinosaurus. But it looks pretty good. I like it. I personally won't be picking it up just because I already have the Legacy one and I don't need another one. But hey, if you missed out on that one or was impossible to get, we've got a battle damage version, and it looks pretty nice. I do like it. Color scheme looks nice, and like I said before, it's got a nice yellow color scheme with the sail and a very bluish color. So if I do see it in a store, I will definitely look at it and check it out. And maybe do a little video on it in the store. So here we have the battle damage piece, and it's interesting. Looks like you press a button on the back of the spine, which causes the side of the Spinosaurus to pop open. I'm not sure how the whole attachment, like the attached piece when it opens up, how delicate that will be. Maybe that might be, I don't know. Maybe hopefully it'll be a good connection. It won't pop off. But looks interesting. I wonder if it's going to be that soft, squishy inner stuff like was on the the Albertosaurus had the squishy innards as well. So that'll be interesting to see if it has it. And just for a quick comparison, here is the Legacy Spinosaurus next to the new Battle Damage Spinosaurus. Which one do you like better? They're pretty much exactly the same mold, just that the Battle Damage one, of course, has the Battle Damage gimmick, but, you know, they look pretty good there together. And if you get both, you can have one male and one female, so you can have a difference. So yeah, so that has been a look at the images that we have so far of the Battle Damage Spinosaurus. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the new paint scheme. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah, so yeah, I'm all for it, and it'll be at Walmart, so don't need to worry about going to Target. Go to Walmart, you'll find it, hopefully. So there you go, and I will see you on the next video. And again, let me know your thoughts in the comments below about what you think about the new Battle Damage Spinosaurus. And I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a great day, and bye everybody!